Hello friends, today we are going to talk about why sourcing is important in supply chain management. Being a supply chain management professional, we should be knowing what is sourcing, why it is so important in supply chain management, what is the difference between sourcing and effective sourcing, what are the key reasons to do the sourcing, what is the strategic and the tactical sourcing? So these are the main objectives to talk in this session. So, so sourcing is a specific segment under a procurement cycle that refers to identifying, evaluating, and selecting suppliers or vendors to obtain goods, services, or raw materials required for a organization's operation. It is a tactical it is a critical steps in procurement cycle and significantly determines the quality, cost, and availability of goods or service purchased. By doing so, sourcing maintains the organization's supply chain and guarantees that organization always has access to the tools it needs to deliver on its objective. Effective sourcing ensure quality and cost-effective manufacturing and also maintain control of inventory levels and overhead costs. Sourcing is an important aspect of organization supply chain management. Strategic planning done right, it improves efficiency and lowers risk in organization supply chain management. The sourcing process can be divided into two distinct phases: strategic sourcing and tactical sourcing. Strategic sourcing is the process of identifying and engaging the most suitable suppliers that can provide the best value for an organization, whereas tactical sourcing is a short-term, reactive, and transaction-focused approach to sourcing to meet immediate needs only. The strategic sourcing is a long-term, proactive, and comprehensive strategy that takes into account a business' current and future needs. We can say sourcing play a critical role in the efficiency, reliability, and overall success of a supply chain. Here I am going to talk 12 key reasons that I have summarized why sourcing is important in supply chain management. The first reason is cost efficiency. Cost efficiency, effective sourcing helps organizations find suppliers that offer competitive prices for goods and services. This can lead to cost saving, which directly impact a organization's bottom line. The second one is quality assurance. Sourcing involves selecting suppliers based upon their ability to consistently provide high quality products or services. This ensures that the final products meet or exceeds the expected standards, reducing the risk of defects or recalls. The third one is supplier diversity and redundancy. Sourcing from a multiple suppliers, especially in different geographical locations, can reduce the risk of supply chain disruption due to unforeseen events such as natural disasters, geopolitical issues, or economic crisis. The fourth key reason is access to expertise. Effective sourcing allows organizations to tap into the specialized skills, knowledge, and technology of their chosen suppliers. This can lead to innovation and improvements in product quality and design. The fifth one is risk management. A well thought of outsourcing strategy include contingency planning and risk assessment. This helps organizations identify and mitigate potential risks associated with suppliers, materials, or geopolitical factors. The sixth key reason is flexibility and agility. Sourcing from a diverse supplier base can provide organizations with the flexibility to adapt to changing market conditions, demand fluctuations, or shift in end user preferences. Another key reason is compliance and ethics. Sourcing decisions can impact an organization's reputation and brand image. Ethical sourcing practices, such as ensuring fair labor practices and environmental responsibilities, are increasingly important to consumers and stakeholders. Another key reason is innovations and collaboration. Collaborating closely with suppliers can lead to joint research and development efforts, resulting in new products, improved processes, or cost-saving innovation. Another key reason is global expansion opportunities. Sourcing can open doors to new markets and facilities international expansion by establishing relationship with the supplier in different regions. Another key reason I have provided here, regulatory compliances. Effective sourcings ensure that suppliers adhere to local and international regulations, reducing legal risks and potential penalties associated with the non-compliance. Another key reason is customer satisfaction. High quality sourcing leads to high quality products or services, which in turn enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. Meeting or exceeding customer expectation is crucial for long-term success. The last one is focus on core competencies. Outsourcing certain aspects of products or services to a specialized suppliers allow company to concentrate on their core competency, leading to increased efficiency and competitiveness. These are the 12 reasons why it is important to do sourcing. It is important in supply chain management to do sourcing. In summary, effective sourcing is vital for optimizing costs, ensuring quality, managing risk, and fostering innovation in the supply chain management. It enables organizations to build resilient, adaptable, and beneficiaries-centric operation, ultimately driving overall success and growth of organization. Finally, we can also say that sourcing is the process of finding, evaluating, and selecting supplier for your procurement needs. It is a vital skill for any procurement professional, as it can help you reduce cost, improve quality, mitigate risk, and create value for your organization. This is why the sourcing is important in supply chain management. You can write me in my inbox and get the whole presentation free of charge, and any comment and any suggestion are most welcome. Thank you and see you in next lesson. Bye.